Banking stock, because banks, there's so much of borrowing happening, so many projects are coming up. Everybody is going to the bank and everybody is in need of a fund.
Super. Which is your favorite bank, sir? All right, hi everyone. A lot of you guys have been asking me this question, sir. What are the top 3 sectors you want to invest in? You want to make money out of? यहाँ पे कुछ हम स्टॉक टिप तो देंगे नहीं. मेरे साथ सर बैठे हैं. सर ने 5 किताब, सर 5 बुक्स, 5 किताबें लिख चुके हैं. ही इज अ प्रोफेसर एंड डिप्टी डायरेक्टर एट एमईटी बॉम्बे. मैं सर को मिला, मैंने बोला सर सब काम छोड़ो, लेट्स डू सम ज्ञान. वो आते हैं ना सर वीडियोस, टॉप 3 स्टॉक्स आपको करोड़पति बना देंगे. सो कैन वी गिव देम सम सच टिप्स लाइक दैट?
Not tips, but actually we can talk about the upcoming sectors which you should invest for the next couple of years.
Super. Any financial advice come with the disclaimer, bhai, at your own risk.
At your own risk.
At your own risk. Great. Sir is a CA and MBA in Finance and MPhil in Economics and PhD in Economics, MA in Financial Economics. This is so amazing, sir. Sir, let's begin. What are your top 3 sectors what all these students should start looking at? And मैं sir इनको बोलता हूँ कि if you want to do, there are MBA kids, sir, 19, 20, 21, 22 of the world. And I always tell them, like, start at least have a portfolio of yourself. नहीं है तो go to Money Control, make your all demi portfolio and start seeing the stocks to learn, right? Okay. And what are the 3 sectors you think, looking at the growth, looking at the economic, macroeconomics and microeconomics, all the parameters, क्या बताना चाहेंगे sir आप?
See, firstly, for a developing country like India, where a lot of activities happening in the infrastructure sector, okay, so that means infrastructure, you have huge projects coming up every year in where government is coming up with the project. There are projects coming in public-private partnership. So there are a lot of activities happening in infrastructure stock. So you should look at the infrastructure sector, which is going to be another growth story for next 10, 15, 20 years. Okay, roadways and all that.
Great.
So if you talk about roadways, and this infrastructure needs what? It needs steel, cement. So look at those stocks.
So steel stocks and
cement stocks.
Okay.
Okay, basically construction industry related all
Okay.
That kind of stocks you should look at. And another point to be noted here is there's a lot of, now when these infrastructure activities are happening, a lot of growth stories happening, everybody needs money.
Right.
Everybody needs money.
Right.
Who's going to give money?
Banks.
So look at the banking stock.
Lovely. Okay.
Banking stock, because banks, there's so much of borrowing happening, so many projects are coming up. Everybody is going to the bank and everybody is in need of a fund.
Super. Which is your favorite bank, sir? I'm trying to ask him some stock, he's not telling me. So favorite bank, sir, एक तो बता दो मतलब. Not from stock perspective, chalo as a.
No, if you really look at the performance wise, I would put at the top. HDFC Bank is the
HDFC
top
Bank.
performing
That's
bank
like,
and reliable.
Yeah. Where all mutual funds are heavily invested. This is like one stock you should have in your portfolio. Yeah. Come what?
It's very strong, reliable, and they have a good portfolio of advances. The lenders are good. You should avoid some banking company stocks because they may go very bankrupt. I won't name.
Okay.
There's one bank which
I can name them later on. I know them.
Which may go back. But definitely banking is one
Great. Second sector. Great.
You should look at, because all these investments are happening. Everybody, see, when business is booming, everybody needs a working capital, right?
Yeah.
So everybody needs a working capital means they have to go to the bankers.
Great. Sir, I recently went to Vietnam. I was telling you this story. So when I entered Vietnam, from Ho Chi Minh, which is the capital city, from Ho Chi Minh airport to the city, which is like, I think it was a 30 miles drive. So पूरे के पूरे रास्ते में I could see only 2 advertisements. One was infrastructure, other was banks.
Yes.
So when it's a developing country, Vietnam is like 20 years behind us, behind India, I would say. I mean, this is just a ballpark math, what I could feel. जैसे India 20 साल पहले था when I was growing up. So I could see that. So I could totally relate. Infrastructure and banking could be the number. So number 3, number 4, number 3 maybe. Any other sector?
Healthcare industry.
Healthcare.
Healthcare industry, if you look at today, healthcare industry, every Indian has become so much of health conscious.
Yeah.
Okay. Especially if you look at the diagnostics industry. Okay. Once upon a time, we used to go to our pop and mom's kind of store of a diagnostic lab.
Yeah.
And we used to get our diagnostics done.
Yeah.
But today you are seeing various branded people coming. SRL is there.
SRL is there.
Many other diagnostics, because now there is so much of health consciousness in the people, and people are even scared after pregnancy.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Everybody wants to get their health checkup done once in every year. So this healthcare industry, healthcare infrastructure and that is what the focus is also of the government.
Great.
That health infrastructure needs to be improved. So when we are talking of health infrastructure needs to be improved, that means there's lot of space for even the private sector to coexist.
Right.
And that's why we are seeing a lot of Apollo Hospital, private hospitals coming up.
They're all listed as a.
They're all listed, and it's going to grow and grow and grow.
Super.
And this is again supported by the insurance sector, because insurance is giving you health cover.
Great. So insurance is another sector. It's a sunrise sector.
Sunrise sector, just because your health industry is also going up, so your insurance sector also come into place. Health insurance
And
sector
insurance goes hand in hand with the banks as well.
Banks as well.
Right, sir? Insurance is a good sector.
Absolutely.
पर सर वो इंश्योरेंस में मुझे इतना भरोसा नहीं because 2009 2010 when I was pursuing my MBA that time also it was a sunrise sector और आज भी sunrise sector है. पता नहीं अभी इंडियंस का
नहीं,
aversion
इंडिया
है.
में कैसा है इंश्योरेंस जो है ना, इंश्योरेंस इन इंडिया, इंश्योरेंस इन इंडिया इज नॉट अ प्योर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. दे आर अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ इंश्योरेंस एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट कंपनी.
Right.
Because whatever premium they collect, they ultimately they invest in the market
Hmm.
and they generate profits,
Right.
and from that they take care of their claims.
They're all linked.
So
yeah.
they are all linked. So it's not a purely an insurance company; it's an investment
तो
company.
चौथा सेक्टर आपको मिल गया भाई इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर, यहाँ से आप काम कर सकते हैं. मैं आपको एक होमवर्क देना चाहता हूँ एवरीवन हु इज लिसनिंग टू अस. नीचे जो चारों सेक्टर बताए आपको, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, बैंकिंग, हेल्थ केयर एंड इंश्योरेंस, इनके बारे में अपना खुद का रिसर्च करिए. गो टू moneycontrol.com, all these big websites, and check it out and make a portfolio list, right? Go to Money Control, make a portfolio and just try listing it down. Maybe दो स्टॉक्स सबके, right?
Yes.
दो स्टॉक्स सबके, and अपने पापा से थोड़े पैसे लो, and whatever is your risk taking ability, like 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, whatever, और 1,000 even, right? 1,000 में ये ज्यादा कुछ खरीद नहीं पाएंगे वैसे, but I think
But it's a
10,000
start, right?
it's just a start. You can always
1,000 will grow.
yeah, I'll grow and put the 10,000 rupees and do this for learning. And once you know this art yourself, and then you make money, lose money, and take your own decisions. किसी की सुन के decision मत लो. यार LIC का IPO ले ले.
Absolutely.
Right. So anyway, this video is for educational purpose only, and we were supposed to talk about Adani stocks, but sir ने बोला नहीं, वो मैं अलग से video करूँगा. Thank you so much for joining, boys and girls. Do it on the like button if you guys have enjoyed the video. What are your stock tips? Where are you investing? नीचे comments के अंदर drop करिए. Me and sir will check your comments and keep replying. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sir को बोलो like ठोक देना.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for joining. Take care, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.